Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create a discount code on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to earn it. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and click on discounts and click on create discount and select discount code and give here the discount code name, and customers will enter this discount code at checkout. And then click on generate code. So here you can see a discount code has been created, and now select the discount code types. You can select percentage, fixed amount, free shipping, buy X get Y free. So I'm going to selecting here fixed amount and giving here the value $20. Applies to, you can select all products, or you can select specific collection, or you can select specific products. So I'm going to selecting here specific products and browse, and I'm going to selecting these two products, add, and you can check this option only apply discount once per order. Minimum requirements none. Minimum purchase amount, you can select, you can set a minimum purchase amount $100, or you can select minimum quantity of items. Customer eligibility, you can select everyone, specific customer segments, or you can select specific customers. I'm going to selecting here everyone, and select usage limits number of items this discount can be used in total, or you can select limit to one use per customers. Select here the start date and start time, and set end date and end time, and click on save discount code. So here you can see I have successfully created a discount code on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to earn it. Thank you for watching.